Love handles sound cute, but most adults who have them want to get rid of them. They're the stubborn excess fat that gathers on the side of your waist and hips. When you try to slim down, you're likely to find that your love handles will be the last place to budge. No need to worry. With enough patience and effort, you can say goodbye to your love handles once and for all. 1. Reduce your stress levels. Being at a high level of stress for a long period of time results in fat accumulation, and that too at the wrong places. Try to reduce your stress by making your life organized, scheduled, and simple. Try minimalism, breathing exercises, and yoga to reduce your stress levels. 2. Improve your sleep quality. Lack of good quality sleep is another reason for the increased risk of obesity. Make your bedroom a cool and calm place. If you find difficulty sleeping, try to take a warm shower before bedtime. 3. Hydrate yourself with the right drinks. Drinking around 8 glasses of water daily can wash out toxins and fat from your body by increasing its metabolism. If you don't like plain water, try drinking lemon water or infused water. Avoid any kind of sugary drink or alcohol. 4. Eat right. Stop eating outside or limit it to some occasions only. Stop eating canned food and packed food. Start eating healthy, home-cooked food. Include lots of fruits and vegetables in your daily diet. Increase the amount of lean or vegetarian protein in your diet. Eat fiber-rich foods. If possible, choose whole grains over processed ones. Do fasting once a week. 5. Exercise at your home. Do leg flutter. Lie on your back and place your hands under your pelvis with your palms on the floor to help protect your lower back. Pull your abs to your spine and round your lower back. Then lift your legs up to a 45-degree angle. Cross your right leg over your left, then switch. Keep your low spine pushing into your hands as you continue crisscrossing for 30 seconds. Do this one exercise daily. Try to adopt this healthy lifestyle, and I'm sure you will see amazing results and reduction of love handles in a few weeks. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and you will be notified when we put out a new video.